Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who've never been here before, my name is Allyson. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today is a little bit different for me. I am filming something that I have never filmed before, and we are using my vlog camera because you are inside my bathroom. Today we are going to be filming a get unready with me / skincare routine. So I just took some pictures of this very fun look, but definitely need to get this thing off my face. So the first thing I do before I go to bed / nighttime skincare routine-esque is I change into some comfy clothes. Today I'm wearing like this little croppy toppy and some leggings, and that's usually what I like sleep in. Or I just like wear one of my husband's shirts because they're cozy and big and I love them. Okay, first things first, I'm going to set this camera down and kind of just like go through the steps one by one. Okay, so first things first is I have to take off my earrings. I wear hoop earrings pretty much every single day of my life. I'm obsessed with them. These ones are like little hexagon looking things from Forever 21, if you're wondering. Not like you care. After I take off my hoops, I put my hair up. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to look like a British man. So the next thing that I do to start my skincare routine is to put on this cutie little headband. I got mine from TJ Maxx, I believe. One of like the TJ Maxx or Marshalls or something. It was like $3 or $4. These things are amazing. They're made of like a terry cloth material, and mine is pink and has stars all over it because I love stars, obviously. Right, now that we have our hair all up in a bun and out of the way, I am gonna just start taking off my makeup. First I start with these lashes, and then I will try to pick off some of the stars, just because when you start to take off your makeup, I'm gonna put them all in the sink so that things don't go awry. All right, and just like that, all of my stars are off now. You can see them all in the little sink here. So what I do next is I go in with these Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Cleansing Facial Wipes. They look like this. Usually I use, if I want to take all my makeup, like literally all of it off, I'll use like literally like 3. And that's like a full glam day. That's a lot. But since I'm gonna do my whole full kablam today, I'm just gonna use one to kind of get off the surface level. Okay, so next I'm going to finally clean my face off, and I am going to use my Vanity Planet little like Clairsonic looking dealio. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some water on my face, put some water on the little brush. We is dripping. All right, so we are all wet. I'm gonna go in with this Glamglow, what is it? Glamglow Supercleanse. It's what I've been using like forever. Put it on top of the Clairsonic. That was probably like way more than needed. I don't know the recommended serving size. So I don't know if anybody else is the same way as me, but like, I don't know how to keep it like in the sink. And I literally, when I'm done, there's water everywhere. Oh, by the way, don't like rub your face to dry it. Pat it. Don't be crazy. How did I get hair in my mouth? Oh, God. Here I am. This is me. Okay, so after I have cleansed my face, I use these little cosmetic rounds and the Kiel's Cucumber Herbal Alcohol-Free Toner on my face. This toner is awesome because it doesn't hurt my skin when it like goes on. It doesn't like burn like a lot of toners do, where you can like feel the alcohol in it and you're like and sometimes I do more than one cotton round, just, oh gosh, because you'll notice if you have like some extra dirt going on that it comes off on these little rounds. So if your hands or your Colorsonic or your Vanity Planet little cleaner, whatever you use, doesn't get everything off, you got a second chance. And then sometimes, because I think skincare takes a little bit more time than we want, you have to like wait for your face to dry, wait for your toner to dry. And I just feel like having a little fan around is always a fun idea. I feel like James Charles when I do this, except for I feel like I did it first. Scandal. Okay, next I use like one of these. Usually if it's at night, I use the Mario Badescu, the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I just feel like it's more calming for the nighttime. And then if I'm washing my face in the morning, I use the aloe, cucumber, and green tea because I just feel like it's more of a refresher, like, ooh, good morning, you know? So tonight, since it's nighttime, I'm gonna go in with the lavender. Okay, so the next step in my routine, I don't really use any like oils or anything like that. So I just go ahead straight in with my moisturizing steps now. I go in with the Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer and the Refreshing Eye Cream to Brighten and Depuff. These are both from Origins. They are part of their GINZING little collection. After that, I put on my little eye brightener, eye cream. I just like do a little dabbing tin, doot, 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 doot. And then I do it with the other finger. Oh god, I picked up a lot on that one. Excess. Cool. And then I just use my two fingers and I tap it in. And then another thing I do, especially if I have just filmed a video, is I go in with a lip scrub. This one is from Jeffree Star. It was in his summer collection. I have like 1,000 other ones in my drawer. This is the Pink Lemonade. So I will just, looks like this. So I'll just take a little chunking tin out of there and just the cool part about these is they taste delicious. I always have so much around my mouth. I don't know how I... Alright, and then once my lips are all deliciously scrubbed, I go in with this Glossier Coconut Balm.com. I have 3 of these. Not 3 coconut ones, but like 3... Okay, so like 2 or 3 times a week I do a face mask. I just wanted to do a few of my favorites. So some of my favorites are the Glamglow this one's the Powermud DualCleanse. I used to have this in the face cleanser form, but they discontinued it. So I do not use that anymore. So one of the overnight masks that I'm really loving is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This, it goes on clear, so when you rub it in your face, it's totally fine. And it soaks right in. And in the morning when I wash it off, my face just feels really, really good and hydrated. And I just really like that one. And then the other overnight mask that I have been loving is the Kiel's Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask. And it looks like this. So that is my nighttime skincare routine. Just a little bit of a get unready with me. You saw me go from glam, the glammest of glam, to how I am now. You're looking at all this skincare like, how much did you spend on this? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. Stay loving, stay positive, and I'll see you on the next one.